Hey there, Realtors. Are you tired of casting a wide net and hoping for leads? Yeah, me too. Spending all that time and energy on generic marketing can be both frustrating and downright expensive. But what if I told you there is a game changer for lead generation? Introducing Shoreline Social Media's Open House GEO targeting. We leverage MLS data to connect you with motivated buyers who have recently visited open houses in your area. Laser-focused audience. Reach active house hunters, not just anyone. Timely outreach. Target visitors within days of their open house visit. Then retarget them 30, 60, 90, 120 days out. Customizable messaging. Craft personalized ads based on their price preferences. Mobile ad power. Deliver those ads directly to their smartphones and tablets. Invest in results, not wasted leads. Open house targeting. Big impact, small budget. Stop throwing money away. Targeted ads. Reach open house visitors for under $10 a day. Do not miss out on this exclusive opportunity to connect with qualified leads when they're most engaged. Schedule a demo with Shoreline Social Media today and see how we can boost your lead generation efforts. Shoreline Social Media. Get more leads, close more deals. Visit our page, ssmgeotech.com/home to schedule your call.